Hey everyone, let's look at how to make moving averages with pandas. So we have some Microsoft stock data that we'll be using for this example. Let's take a look at that file real quick. Just going to open it up and print out the first few lines of it. First 200 characters. So we can see our columns, date, open, high, low, close, and going back to 1986. If we wanted to look at how far we go up to June 6th, June 8th of 2018. So let's go ahead and read this into Pandas. And the options. So these are just a few things to control how our data is displayed. So when we do this, data equals pd.read CSV, we print it out. It should have floating values going back to 0.5 decimals and only show us 10 rows. So here we go. Here's the first 5 rows and the last 5 rows of our data. And one other thing we need to do is go ahead and give it the index. Forgot that as well. Parse dates. And we'll go ahead and set the index on date. And sort by it as well. So now we're actually indexing with the date, sorted by date, and the rest of our values. This is because as we're creating averages, we want to look at the previous 30 days and want to make sure that that is the actual previous 30 dates and not the previous 30 indexes. So anyway, creating a simple moving average is actually really easy here. I'm just going to say SMA 30. Our 30-day moving average is going to be equal to our data for close value. Create a rolling window of 30 days. I'll take the mean of it. And if we wanted to print out our data for close, and then SMA 30, we have this. 30-day SMA, our first values are not a number because there's no previous data to calculate. Then our other days have our 30-day moving average. And if we wanted to create an exponential average, exponential moving average, do that with data, close, UWM, our span is going to be 30. Let's take a mean as well. Just add that here. And boom, there's our 30-day EMA, 30-day SMA of our closing values, going from 1986 to 2018 in just a few lines of code. So yeah, Pandas is awesome. Learn more about it, and if you're playing with anything that needs moving averages, that's how you create moving averages. Thanks.